The history of chemistry dates back thousands of years, and it has been influenced by many different cultures and civilizations. Here is a brief overview of some of the key developments in the history of chemistry. Ancient chemistry. The origins of chemistry can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, China, and India. These cultures developed techniques for metalworking, dyeing textiles, and making medicines using natural substances. Greek and Roman chemistry. The Greek philosopher Democritus proposed the concept of atoms in the 5th century BCE, and this idea was later developed by other philosophers such as Aristotle. The Roman author Pliny the Elder wrote a 37-volume encyclopedia of natural history, which included descriptions of many chemical processes. Islamic chemistry. During the Islamic Golden Age, 8th–13th centuries CE, scholars such as Jabir ibn Hayyan, known in the West as Geber, developed many chemical processes, including distillation, crystallization, and sublimation. They also developed alchemy, a precursor to modern chemistry that sought to transform base metals into gold. European Renaissance chemistry. In the 16th century, the Swiss physician Paracelsus challenged the Greek concept of 4 elements, earth, air, fire, water, and proposed that each substance has a unique chemical identity. In the 17th century, the English scientist Robert Boyle developed the concept of an element as a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Lavoisier's chemical revolution. In the late 18th century, the French chemist Antoine Lavoisier revolutionized chemistry by introducing the concept of the conservation of mass, which states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. He also developed the concept of chemical nomenclature, which standardized the names of chemical compounds. Dalton's atomic theory. In the early 19th century, the English chemist John Dalton proposed the atomic theory, which stated that all matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. He also developed the concept of atomic weights, which allowed chemists to determine the relative amounts of elements in a compound. Mendeleev's periodic table. In 1869, the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev developed the periodic table, which arranged the known elements according to their properties. This allowed scientists to predict the properties of undiscovered elements and led to the discovery of many new elements. Modern chemistry. In the 20th century, chemistry has continued to evolve and expand into new fields such as biochemistry, materials science, and nanotechnology. Chemists have developed new techniques for analyzing and synthesizing compounds, and they have made many important discoveries that have had a profound impact on society. Today, chemistry is an essential science that underpins many areas of technology, including medicine, energy production, and environmental science. It continues to be a dynamic and rapidly evolving field, with new discoveries and innovations happening all the time.